guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm in a swimming pool. It is actually 6 a.m. you guys. Wait, let me show you the time. See, it is 6:38 a.m. in the morning and I'm shooting this for you guys. Actually, I didn't sleep at all last night, so I was like, okay, let me just come up with some fun content ideas and let's just shoot and have fun. Everyone, literally every single sister of mine is sleeping inside and I am here enjoying the pool and giving you guys a makeup tutorial in the pool for a waterproof, the makeup that lasts literally forever. I wore this makeup yesterday in the common pool of this resort and it did not budge at all. Let's start. So the first thing that you're gonna start is the sunscreen. This is the Dot & Key sunscreen. This is their watermelon cooling sunscreen and I actually love it a lot, so I'm just gonna grab it just a little bit. Also, I literally never put my hair up, but I didn't want my hair to get wet again yesterday, and then I have to do another hair wash. It was just too hectic for me, and I have to literally check out of this room in 5 hours. I have to check out at 12 p.m. and before that I have breakfast with all the people that I came, and we are some things planned. So this was the only time that I could shoot, and I actually wanted to shoot. I was really excited. I literally could not sleep last night. So sorry you guys. I literally could not sleep last night for the life of me. Okay, so the next thing is the Eligol Pro Concealer. I'm literally using my phone as a mirror and I'm shooting on my sister's phone that I stole while she was sleeping. Okay, now the next step is my cream blush, which is by K Beauty. It looks like this. This is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. Oh my god, look at this shade. I love it. Again, my mirror. Okay, so the next step is fixing my makeup with the Mac Studio Fix, I'm really sorry. And this is in the shade NC25. And this is such a good setting powder. This is the only reason why my makeup stays on the way it stays on, because I don't even use setting spray. I'm literally dead ass. But also don't make it super matte and powdery. Please keep the quantity very, not very, but just be mindful with the quantity, that's all. Okay, so the next step is touching up my cream blush, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade 40 Proud. I'm just gonna take just a little bit and touch it up. I am barely using any mirror, you guys. I am such a good makeup artist.
Really?
The phone literally keeps falling again and again. So my next step is my eyebrows, and I do not use any eyebrow pencil because that just comes off super easily. What I do is I use an eyebrow palette, and this is by Europe Girl. I'm sorry, everything is erased from. Actually, there are more guests that are looking, and it's getting awkward, but I am in my private pool, so I don't care. Okay, so it looks like this, and I basically used these two colors, the mixture of these two, and thank god it has mirror for me. So as you guys know, what I do is I just fill in the empty spaces. I do not redo any my eyebrow shape or anything. I just go in with my natural eyebrow shape. Now after eyebrows comes my eyes, and what I do is I just take a little bit of the blush and then a small brush, swirl it around, and I just very like unprofessionally just put it like all over my eye. I really don't like do a lot because it is gonna get smudged just a little bit, so why even bother? Like, just put it all over your eyes. Now I'm just gonna create like a small wing with the Elegant kajal pencil. This is in obviously black, and I'm just gonna do like a really like small wing. Okay,
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
guys. I was literally gonna drown with my phone, my makeup, everything. Look at this, look at this. My only girl over. Yeah, this is literally it. Can you see? Now curling my lashes. I really like need to see. This is literally as good as it's gonna get. I forgot my mascara in my mother's bag, and she is like on a whole another floor first of all, and she's asleep. Like, it is like 6:30 a.m. I can't like disturb her and like all of the other people, because like obviously she's not alone, she's with like her sisters. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'll just add the mascara like afterwards, like after the whole makeup, but like this is the eye makeup all complete. Okay, so now coming on to lips. This is actually a tint. This is the Ink Airy Velvet, and this is shade 14 Rosy Pink. This is by Peripera or either Ink. This is actually my sister's tint, and I literally got like, I literally like became a fan like recently, so I really haven't done any of my research on this one, but it does work really well. So look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so over this, like constantly like phone falling. My iPhone 13 literally fell in the pool right now. That's why I had to like pause the video. It literally fell in the pool, and I had to like check if everything's like okay, because oh my god, if like I had to like format this phone and get it repaired, oh my god, I can't believe, like that is just a nightmare. Oh my god, I look so good in the iPhone 13. I love it. I'm really sorry for the peacocks. They are like going crazy. Okay, now for the highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. Apply highlighter, which is like my favorite because it makes me look so like shiny and like presentable. Now what I have to do is I just have to pose a little bit for the reel, and I'm done. Okay, you guys, it's later in the day. I finally wore mascara, changed my lip combo because I had to like match this outfit, which is so cute. Like, just took like some really cute pics. So yeah, I don't think you should miss out on them. But that is it for today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you'd wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey, and I see you in the next one. So then take care. Bye.